already. Yo, guys, so welcome back to week. I don't know. It's been a lot of weeks since we've been recording this. We always have pre-market Zoom calls every single week, guys. You guys are always welcome to have to come and join us. You know what I mean? So today, I'm gonna be going over three pairs that we always go through. We always go through over Euro USD, gold, and GBP USD. So those are the only three pairs that we'll be going over. I'm gonna be letting you guys know anything that I see coming up for the week. We're gonna look at the news. We're gonna look at the anything else that you guys want us to look at. We're gonna be able to actually look at it and see what's going on. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you guys. Um, so trading view. Well, first and foremost, we're gonna go ahead and check what happened this week and what we would have done better this week. So this week has been a great week, guys. I ain't gonna lie. For me personally, I don't know about other people, but my week has been okay. So I'm to go ahead and just go ahead and Euro USD and see what's going on. So I think I'm gonna first start with how Euro USD has been recently. So. Got to start right here from Monday. Is it? No, sorry guys. Let me see. Okay, it's gonna be right here. All right, so this is the week, starting off the week, guys. Start off with a beautiful. I think I streamed this. And like we had to enter some buys around here when I was streaming this. Was it? Yeah. So this is the Monday right here. Yeah, we streamed this trade right here. I think it was live. We went live and we hit stop loss. Um, no, we hit stop loss on other accounts, but those there was a problem that had small like zero leverage, and we managed not to hit stop loss because we didn't hit stop loss either. Um, so the good thing with this trade is we went all the way down, gave us a 126. Then we had another trade, guys. This is how we enter trades, okay? It's been happening a lot of times, so. You just wait for like a little bit of like let's price show you that it's actually inducing, right? So if I'm going to the 3 minute, you guys take a look at it. This is the perfect example of when you guys are actually looking for some good perfect trades. Let me see. Where was I at? Okay, I'm right here. This is a trade right here. Take a look at it, yeah. So literally like price is we had an inducement, right? What is an inducement? Price, this level right here was induced when it went down. After it went like, price induced, price showed reaction right away, like, giving us a change of character and break of structure. Guess what happened? Mitigation of this level zone. Enter the trade, give us a 1 to 6. Same thing that happened here, right? Price literally induced these levels here. All these sellers, price was showing that it's selling, price induced it right here. After inducing it here, it showed a melt off, right? Confirming what a break of structure and the other change of characters around here. Then guess what? Price came back, mitigated our zone by the top, and had a melt off, giving us a what? It was like a 1 to 5. You know what I mean? There's a lot of like just a lot of even right here. We hit stop loss, but guess what? We would this the reason why most of the times we always want our trades like to have a perfect like give the trade a little bit of breathing room. So now like right here we enter this trade, but guess if we had gave this trade a little bit of like a little bit, not having to be exact like how it was right here. You see how exact it was like right at the tip. That's where we wanted our stop loss to be. If we you can give it like a little bit of it, a little bit more time, and you can see how actually this trade is going to respect it. So this is a lesson that we learned. We hit stop loss on this trade, but our analysis overall was correct. You know what I mean? Here too. I think those are the trades that we took. Cause I was basically trading. We took another loss here, but it wasn't a loss because we had our price tapped into this level of supply, then give us a 1 to 3, took pressures, broke even, price hit or break even point. Same thing here. Um, we entered the trade right on the time of 6 New York session, give us a 1 to 3, held took 50% off, put our stop loss to break even. The price came back to Kazara break even. So we had a lot of trades that we took. I was actually this is like scalping, like a lot of trades that we was taking on USD, both lander session, Euro session, lander session, Euro session. Somebody want to say something? If you're mute, please ask to mute. Okay, let me see. Come on, mute this guy. All right. So guys, that's what I had going on for this week. I didn't have a lot of things. Just it was just the period that I was looking at. So right now, where do we anticipate price to be at on Euro USD? Okay, let me go ahead and put our backtesting tab here. It's gonna refresh it, take you to the other side of the tabs where we can see everything. So here's Euro USD going the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so this is what we see Euro doing for all time frame, right? What do we see, guys? We see that price has literally tapped into this is what I do. If you guys had to go back and watch the YouTube video of the last week, guys, literally, I told you guys that I would be expecting price. I think it was around here, yeah. I was expecting price to first come back and mitigate this area, then we start looking for buys. Long term buys. I'm not talking about just buys. Like I'm talking about like long term buys. Like this week, I'm gonna be bullish. You know what I mean? So like literally, price helped me to get this on and started showing reaction of. But guess what? A lot of people were saying there was a little bit of what demands on here. It got taken out. Price was bearish until it came to get our zone. It started being bullish. So now we can be anticipating bullish buys already before even going to lower time from starting to look at whatever I want to look at. You know, so let's try to go to the 2 hour because it's already I already marked this out last week. So it's we just going ahead with the same analysis. I'm not gonna delete everything and go ahead and we just delete this whatever stuff that I be having going on with TP here. All these signs that they don't indicate as alerts. Okay. Yeah, it's always okay to have alerts on your phone and let the trade do its thing. That's what I do. Most especially if I enter trade on my phone. What I do, I just stop loss, take profit, listen to my music, or go do other things that I gotta do, instead of being there and looking at your like your profits flooding. Like that's very, very very, very emotional, guys. So yeah, according to what we see right now, we can see that price already mitigate our zone, right? So now let's see how we can look for buys on a lower time frame, right? So just go straight into like the 2 hour and zoom in real quick and see. So what do we see on the 2 hour, guys? 2 hour we had our price has been forming lower highs, lower lows. This is this is lower low. This is a lower high. That led to I think this is just price movement. Led to a low. You know. Okay, this is also led to a low right here. That led to a high. Led to a low. Led to a high. Then led to a low. Something like that. Even this is a low that led to a high here. Okay. This we just marking out lower highs and lower lows. Just that's how you actually start analyzing your market. Then the next thing we can look at. Next thing we can look at is let me see. Okay. Okay. So having that going on for now, as I see, we're just trying to see the areas of point where price can come back and mitigate our zone before actually looking for long-term buys. So this is what we may anticipate, right? We might anticipate something like this. We might anticipate something like this. Some people calling me for no reason. So we might anticipate price to first breach this zone right here, this level of liquidity. Right? This is just 1 hour. What I see only 1 hour, guys. You guys are gonna tell me what you guys see. Okay. Then maybe mitigate into this zone here, this level of supply, because we're trying to see how we can have a pullback before actually, aiming for longs. You know. For now we bullish until this on here, until this on, until this on. We bullish until this on. I just don't want to be the type of guy that's marking out any zones, like just any POI zone. I say just mark it out. No, you just gotta have to look for those special zones. Not like this looks a little specific because even the agent high was taken, and it's a high deleted low that because the change of character. So this is a nice area. Even this one here looks because it's a weak. It looks like it's a strong area of liquidity, and it's above a POI. So good thing we can just wait for price to come to get around this on here, then show us confirmations, guys. You don't just enter right away. Price is gonna have to show you confirmations, that it's selling. Then after we can enter for sales. You know what I mean? Then we can look for sales, guys. Let me first pin myself. All right. So yeah, then we can look for sales later on. But before that, we can just aim for price to let's say even though price comes right here to this supply zone, then it breaches the supply zone, right? Maybe it's still bullish. Then we just know right away that um we bullish and we're just gonna keep looking for buys. Keep looking for buys continuously, instead of even looking for sells. The reason why we may be looking for sell because we may be having a little pullback to any area upon here, then look for some buys and then keep going going up because that's what we anticipate going on. But for now, we can look for a little counter sell. According to me, what I see. I don't know if you guys see something different, but what I see, I can aim for a little counter sell if price comes back and mitigate here. At least it will give me 1 to 3. If I'm to fail, if I was wrong, at least price would give me 1 to 3 and then come back and take me out. Because this happened to me 2 times this week, just on your USD. When I'm wrong, you know what I mean? Because I can be wrong, guys. I'm not like the guy that doesn't accept losses. I can be wrong, you know. So yeah, that's what I see coming out for Euro USD. If I'm to go to 15-minute time frame, let me see. Yeah, but this level looks like, but this is news. I think this is news, bro. This was news. Because there is no way this level is not going to get taken out. It is going to get taken out. And we're going to have to mitigate this on. Look for lower time frame confirmations. What do I mean? You guys know. That's what I be looking for every time you guys see me live. Count, price, come, mitigate this area. Start looking for sales. Break up structure, change of character, mitigation, sell off. Literally, same type of formation that we're going to look for. If you don't see that, guys, no confirmations. You don't enter the trade. That's just Euro USD for now because yeah, we have a lot of good zones that we can aim for. So what zones can we be aiming for that we can wait for, right? Okay, let's do it's 5 minute time frame. USD. We're gonna go all the way to 1 minute if we need to. So high, a high, I mean by high it's this right here. The little low, high, the little low, then a high that did not lead to no low but respected the low. This low led to a high and caused a break of structure. Actually, this is not a break of structure, it's a change of character, right? Okay, let's keep that in mind. Okay, so we have that. Did this high leave an unmitigated area? Yes, it did. Okay, can we mark that out? As a POI, not just as an order block, as a whole POI, guys. From here to here, go all the way. Let's see, did it get mitigated or not? Okay, according to what we see, price did not mitigate anything, right? Okay, maybe it tried to, but let's see, were we in the correct time frame when price tried to mitigate it? No, it wasn't the correct time. So this area is very, very valid. For now, we can just call this as a demand POI zone, right? You know why? Because this area is clean, and the reason why I even marked that out because this level right here. Price can we be aiming for these levels of Asian law? If maybe price want to come back and mitigate deeper levels, then it's probably gonna come for this Asian law right here. Let me go on the high time frame so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So we already marked out this on, right? We already marked out this on. I can name it as uh 5 minute your man UI. Okay, put this in the middle, center, make it small. Okay. So we have that going on. And yeah, I think this is what I can anticipate, guys, for Euro USD. That's for now, because we don't want to anticipate for like draw price action and even get confused. We just gotta keep things simple. So if price is bullish, if price is way too bullish, right, it's not gonna give us the confirmation here to sell. You know what I mean? But if price is gonna have to come back and pull back, then it's gonna give us confirmation to sell until maybe this demands, which can give us like a good 1 to 15 RR if you guys actually analyze the market correctly. 1 to 20. But there's a lot of pips right here, guys. You know? But yeah, that's why we anticipate. But if price mitigates this area, perfect zone to look for some buys and then keep going back, keep going up. You guys are gonna see this when we go live on Monday, literally. So that's what I see coming up for that. I don't know, Euro USD. That's what I see. I don't know if you guys have any ideas before we can move to the next pair. Just let me know if you guys have any ideas on what you guys think price may do. I'm gonna go back to 4 hour. Um, Mustafa, unmute yourself, brother. Okay. because it was kind of making noise. I think that's what I anticipate for Euro USD, guys. Let's first take a look at news and see what's going on. So if you see news for next week, I do not see anything coming up, but only let me see. Guys, this week has been good. If you guys actually watched it, this week has been good. Not crazy news. Like if you guys have been staying out of news, you guys have been, no, following your route. But if you guys have been trading news, you guys got smoked really bad. Okay, next week, Monday we good. Tuesday we not good here because this is within our sessions for trading. New York session. Um, even Wednesday we not good. New York session trading. When is the total New York session? If you we good. If you guys don't even trade the pair of CAD, the Canadian dollar, if you guys don't trade it, so we good. Thursday, definitely London session. We may even not trade London session because it's gonna be very volatile. Our PIs are gonna get taken out like crazy. We're gonna be the liquidity. SMC traders, you guys are gonna be the liquidity right here, of London session, Thursday. So yeah. I think Thursday is the only red flag that we see. Thursday and maybe Tuesday New York session. Thursday London session and Tuesday New York session. Yeah, the rest we're good. So mark that out if you guys want to write anything down. So Tuesday, Tuesday New York session for GBP USD traders. The guys that trade with the GBP Great Britain Pound. You guys Tuesday, you guys are cooked. Then the Thursday you guys are chilling because you don't have a lot of you have a lot going on in the New York session. Even New York, bro, Thursdays, guys, don't trade Thursdays, please, because there's a lot of red folders. Thursdays way cooked more than other days. Um, anything you guys all see? Because I did not see anything on your USD apart from what I just analyzed. Price mitigating our zone, looking for sales, our price pulling back up and mitigating our deeper extreme demand zone, and then looking for buys right away. Don't even waste time because um these prices already mitigating towards one. Maybe if price wants to come and mitigate deeper levels here, that would make sense. But according to now, price is showing us a reaction, and we should respect that and go of what we see, Um, GBP USD, same thing. We had our did we take any trade? Okay, we had our trade. I don't know when I took this trade, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Um, but let me see. Okay, it looks like it was in the trend line. It looks like it was in the trend line here, and we decided to go for sales. So go for buys. Uh, okay. The good thing is, no, I don't know. I don't know if I entered this trade or not. I'm not sure. So I can't say anything that I'm not sure, guys. Let me just focus on what we see right now. So, anyways, if we enter this trade, it give us a dang, 1 to 5. Okay, not bad. Okay, the good thing price took out liquidity. Okay, guys, I like this. I like this. Let me analyze what I see, right? First, delete the noise. Um, delete a lot of noise going on here. Delete this. What else do I need to delete? Nothing. I think that's it. Okay, perfect. So we see a lot of trend line traders that was entering trades consistently here, right? Off of this trend line. Guess what happened? Price came, did a good thing, took this trend line traders out by giving us a what this an inducement, but an inducement divergence trend line. So after we had something like that, then price gave us a what a confirmation, like we're going down, guys, we're still going down, you know what I mean? After we had that, gave us a break of structure here, then we anticipate price to come mitigate any area here, because if price comes back gives us a confirmation here, then we can look for sales until any area that we're gonna look for. Now let's now put it into action, really, according to what we saw. So go ahead and first delete this, as I just explained to you guys. Delete this. So might as well as delete the whole zone because this zone got disrespected. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to 30 minutes and see what's going on. 30 minute candlestick. We can see, is there any POI? Perfect. See a POI here, starting from here all the way back here, all the way to the top. It's a supply POI zone, so it's a supply zone. Okay, all the way here, stretch it out, put a what? A timer on it. There's always time you put these alerts, guys, because these alerts sometimes they happen when we're not even on the screens. And you guys have to say, okay, this happened, just keep that in mind. You don't even have to analyze or anything. Just gotta keep it in mind. Keep that in mind here, which gave us a clean BOS here, you know. And even a change of character too. If you guys want to see, this is a change of character here, you know. Um, then price is looking for signs to push back up. Okay, hopefully price is not forming the same thing that it did of these and these and these and these and these, giving us a trend line again, then to come back and take it out, mitigate and sell. Some things I've seen this happen. I've seen this move happen before. I don't know when, but it's been a long time since this happened. But I'm not gonna just say since that move happened, it's still gonna happen here. No, it's not gonna happen here. So we just have to realize according to what we see. So if I'm to look for anything going on here, I can look for price. If price opens on during Sunday, whatever price opens, market opens, then we can aim for something like this too. The price come mitigate our zone, they look for some sales. If we get sales, then what are we gonna aim at, guys? If you're looking for sales during this time, we're gonna be aiming at areas of zones like let's say, guys, this looks really bad. Let me see. I'm not looking for any. If you're really looking for sales, then we're gonna keep going bearish on GBP USD until like it's a type of level like this. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on. Sorry guys. So what I anticipate is I'm gonna I'm gonna 8 hour real quick and see what's going on. 8 hour time frame. I anticipate price maybe coming back into, bro. This is gonna be a crazy sell-off, okay? If we're still going into if we're still into sales, gonna have to look for sales until a strong area of demand, even this area here. So we have two zones, that zone and this zone here that we may be anticipating for sales of. But if we're going sales on GU, then we're gonna keep going, guys, until guys, give me a second. If somebody wanna talk, somebody can be talking around. Just give me like a little second. I'm gonna have to fast finish some business here. Like 3, 4 minutes, I'll be back. If somebody wanna talk, somebody can like go ahead and share your screen and also explain. Where's this guy at? Where's man dash. Let me see. So guys, anybody that want to share the screen and analyze GU, you guys can do it. I'm just gonna come right here, do some stuff real quick, like 5 minutes. I'm gonna be back, okay? Just give me a minute. Anybody that want to do it, guys. Yes, so guys, I'm back. I'm back. Sorry for the little inconvenience. Let's go back into it. So guys, they're asking for some help. So if you guys are to look at GU, let's go back and see. According, guys, I'm analyzing according to what I see, no what I believe, okay? What I see is what I'm gonna react off. I'm not gonna, just force myself to be like, okay, anticipate prices going bullish. No, we had our inducements here. This is the level they was looking at, and this level got disrespected. As you guys saw, we deleted the whole demand zone right here. So after us deleting it, we just anticipate that, you know what? Might as well just wait for the might as well just wait for the price to actually, because this was the level, the strong demand zone that was waiting for to get respected. Got disrespected. So for now, we may just anticipate for sales until this level right here. Okay, guys. Guys, what do you guys think about GU right now? As for now, because we did not go ahead and analyze all the way from 4 hour whatever now, because we've already seen how price has been moving recently. You know. So what you guys think? According to this trend line being taken out, I believe price is going to respect this zone because this zone took out a lot of trend line traders that was actually trading off best that trend line that was being created on GU. And then price is trying to look for a pullback until this zone. Then look for confirmations on lower time frame during our correct time frame windows and the analysis and everything. They look for clean sell off this POI zone right here. You know what I mean? So what you guys think according to those GU and Euro USD here? Anybody has anything to say or it's just
Yes, hello, bro.
yo, what's going on? Omar?
You good, bro?
I'm good. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. For me, I just for me, EU is much cleaner than GU. I don't
Yeah,
know
yeah,
why.
yeah. Just EU just looks cleaner. The problem
Yeah,
with EU
exactly.
is it's been this trend line here is the one giving me a hard time because then it did not like take all the trend line. It just mitigated it then showed as a inducement right away, like a reaction. Maybe price was building up, then liquidity sweep, then
Yeah,
something like that. But
that's
we
it.
let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
But can I ask you something?
Go ahead, bro.
Friday, did you get the sell from the 50-minute POI in EU? I got it. Do you remember I posted in Discord? I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
got a
yeah.
quick one. I got a quick 1 to 3, and then just left it because it was Friday. It was late
Yeah?
in the 50-minute.
When,
Yeah,
when was that? Oh, I saw you. I think you posted. Yeah, you posted
yeah,
it.
exactly. Just quick because I knew it was Friday, so I got a quick 1 to 3, and I
Yeah.
left the market.
Great, great,
Yeah.
great, bro. Great. So
But what
yeah,
about gold, bro? What do you see for gold? It's just
man.
going higher, higher every time.
Let me tell you something about God, man. God is something that you cannot analyze during the week. You analyze it according like during that session. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So what I've seen about gold every time for the past whatever like months I've been analyzing every week, I go over gold, gold, gold. But guess what? You
Yeah.
always something you don't even expect, bro. Like something out of nowhere. It just moves weird. You know what I mean? So you can't. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go and go. Let's see. Maybe last week, what
Yeah.
did I analyze? Okay, last week I was like, I didn't even analyze God last week. I can't even see it. I did not because the same thing. It's just
Yeah.
forming. Okay, guys, you want me to analyze God? Buy God.
Yeah. Do it.
Yeah, buy God right there. Out of nowhere. Just buy. It's gonna keep going up. There's no analysis for God, guys. There's not there. I'm just being honest. If you guys want to analyze God, just buy it. But it's being bullish and it's still gonna be bullish until the news. Guys, take a look at this, right? We have this politics going on in America right now, okay? So, and voting is coming in November. So people are gonna start voting November 5th, whatever, something like that. So trust me, it's gonna affect God really bad. Like there have been wars in the east side of the country of the world. On the southern all those you know United Arab Emirates countries over there that's going on. I'm not sure what's going on there, but there've been wars going on and it's been affecting gold. Perhaps being bullish because of that and some other reasons. But also if the elections take place, guys, it's also going to affect gold coming year 2025. Crazy. It's gonna affect gold. So gold may keep pushing up because we're making history right now. This is the highest gold has ever been, right? Like right now. This is the highest gold has ever been in the past centuries. That whatever you guys have to go back years and years, you know. So you guys are actually living history. So if gold starts being bearish, and guys, you gotta know this. You guys that went to school, even though elementary or primary, whatever, you guys know gold is an appreciating asset. The more like time it takes, the more it's gonna get, appreciated. Guys are still gonna, it's gonna grow in value. The more years go by, so that's why it's representing on the charts. Because the longer gold goes in value, then the more it's gonna keep going up. The same thing. So analyzing gold right now is like, I don't know, man. Can't analyze gold. Trust me. Okay, okay, okay. Somebody want to analyze gold. Show me. That we're gonna we look. How are we gonna look for? There's no POI that I'm waiting for. You know, there's no. Maybe the POI I will be waiting for is what here. Maybe price come back, pull back into. Oh, what am I drawing? Sorry, let me draw from here. Okay, sorry guys. Let me just draw something. Okay. Yeah, maybe come back, pull back here to here, and keep going up. Because there's no, or maybe this POI is on here. Maybe this here. There's no way yeah, you can analyze gold. It's just not there. The only way you can analyze gold is during each session. Let's say it's during New York session. Okay, now you go on gold. Take a look at it. See how it reacted up during London session the previous days. Now you can actually tell what's going to happen. Are we going to POI zones that are going to get respected? Then look for sells or buys off of that. But analyzing weekly, like on gold, is really going to be hard. Any other questions that you guys have so we can go over? Talk to me, guys. We have over 8 people watching. That's good. Good, 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 good. Perfect, guys. What's the reason behind gold being bullish? That's what I'm saying. Bro, gold just keeps going high, you know? And if gold keeps going high like that, then bro, there's no way. And I just explained to you, Khalid, I just explained to you the reason why gold is being bullish. It's because price is literally following like the nature of gold. It's gold, guys. Gold. Trust me. Buy gold right now. Hold it for like 2 years. Go sell it. It's gonna be high. So you're just appreciating as something that keeps on growing in value. The more time it takes. So that's why it's showing there, right there. In this, so the reason why if election happens, it's gonna affect the market too. It's gonna affect the market of gold. Trust me. Somebody wanna say something? Huh? Somebody, if you guys don't have
Bro,
any,
bro,
yo,
can I ask you something?
go
Before
ahead.
you moved over to SMC, SMC, what
Yeah.
did you trade before?
How would you ask that? So I used
Bro,
to trade.
I remember you said it before.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just in Discord,
yeah.
but
I used to trade. That was in 2022 though. So right now
yeah,
I'm truly an SMC trader. I used to trade.
okay.
I used to trade. What was it? This support. Yeah, support and resistance. Something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
because I used to watch the FX Alex G guys on YouTube. I never used to have. I never bought a course. This is the first course I bought from Jeremy University. Is the one and it's the one that has helped me up to now. I never bought a course from
Yeah,
them. I used to watch YouTube videos every single day. Boom, boom, boom. A lot of hours going in, but I never used to catch all the information. So I just go there, mark support and resistance, then break through, retest, and all that. Didn't make sense, you know, until I had to get actually mentorship, you know. So is there a chance that that the supply zone will be invalidated because there is an unmitigated Asian high? I think between the what pair are you talking about, bro? What pair is it? Because is it gold or I don't know. GBP USD? Let me see. Okay, so you're talking about that the little stuff would be the POI that we just marked out on gold and GBP USD we get because of the Asian high. Let's go to the hour on hour and see the Asian high you're talking about. Talking about the Asian high here. Because we have two Asian highs actually. Even we have another one here. Oh, it's okay, okay. I see what yeah, yeah. This is the reason why I marked this because there was an Asian high here too. The previous the latest Asian high. That's why I marked this zone out. If price disrespect this zone, then let me show you some, right? If price is to let us know, guys, don't enter trade because I say don't enter trade. As long as price taps in here, then you're gonna enter sell right off. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't work like that. You know, after price stops in here, guys, you're an SMC trader, you're a high RR trader. What are you gonna do? Go to lower time frame, go to 2 minute, go to 3 minute time frame, look for what? Confirmations, look for these change of characters and breakout structure. Let price show you that it's respecting the zone on lower time frame. Then guess what? You're gonna have that 3 pip, 2.5 pip stop loss that you're gonna have to catch a crazy RR, guys. This is how things work, literally. Let me see if you texted something in the chat. Yeah, bro, is it only EU gold and GU each? Mostly, bro. I also trade indices like what, like Nasdaq. You study, but I don't trade them that much. But the reason why, basically, I was told by Yerimi, and like, Yerimi taught us that it's better to stick to like the less pairs that you guys actually stick to. It, you guys actually gonna, get more like of an edge. You know what I mean by an edge in your trading. You know what I mean? Because then you only focus on a lot of pairs, and also your psychology is gonna be better. So that's why I just limit myself to EU, gold, GU. That's already enough pairs, guys. Because remember, you only have 3 hours to analyze your market. So how am I going to analyze GU, Euro, AUD, GBP, JPY, all those other pairs? Yet I can analyze EU, gold, and GU because they're actually the pairs that I'm used to, you know. So it's better I just analyze what are you know. But if you want me to analyze any pair that you think you want me to analyze for you, I'm still going to use the same strategy, the same knowledge I know. You can just type in the pair you want me to analyze for you. I'm going to go ahead and do it. If price types into your 5 minute POI on EU, would you take that trade straight away or wait for confirmations? You're talking about the demand POI, right? Let me come right here and see. So, talking about this that I marked out here, right? Yeah, definitely, guys. Here, if price taps into here, hold on. First, guys, I always like counting pips, you know. So this is 8 pip, guys. 8 pips, I'm not entering no trade for 8 pip stop loss. Never. The highest pip I can enter on like 6, 5, you know. But 8, no, I have to not to get it like I want to 5, I have to aim for 40 pips. Come on, man. That's not happening within one session. You have to be realistic. Okay, I mean 40 pips can happen within one session, but it's better to like look for at least 4 pip stop loss. That's still big. 3 pip stop loss is fair. Most of my trades are 3 pip stop losses and 5 pip stop losses, you know. So that's why let me see. Yeah, here, bro, don't enter off right away. Um I would I would wait for more confirmations instead of entering off right away. What do I mean by more confirmations? The same thing I said. Right here, if price did its move and comes back to my zone, right? Then I'm gonna see because guys, most of the times price will come tap in, then react off, right? Then it's gonna come back and mitigate. So that pullback right there is when you go on lower time frame and see whether you have all these confirmations that you need to actually take this back. This pullback is one that's gonna come back and give you the buys, you know, most of the times. But I'm not gonna enter right off, guys. No, 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 no right off. Still wait for confirmation. Definitely. Any other questions?
Yo, bro,
Yo,
you see the wick, the big wick?
on where? EU
Yeah, you just below.
here,
Nah, just below.
here,
Yeah, this one. I think price gonna go down, sweep this, and then move up.
and look for confirmations on, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's just a good one because then that's why I'm saying you don't enter right off. You know, don't just enter right
Yeah,
off. You
exactly.
know, just wait for more confirmations. Because if prices respect this on, the reason why I marked it out because we had an Asian law here, bro. Because maybe price may just be aiming for the Asian law
Yeah,
liquidity, then what react off. But so because now we can't miss on that trade too, just because price we think price is gonna weak this little week right here. Maybe it can, maybe it can't. You know. But higher time frame 4 hour, we've been what? We've been bearish, so it may actually weak it out, go back into our time frame on 3 minute. We can just better we wait for more confirmations of this zone, other than waiting just entering right off, because then we may get taken out. You know, we may be liquidity. You know,
yeah, bro. Can I ask something? You know, I have been trading for 2 years right now. I
I'm just
just
like you.
started right now recently to
I'm just
take
like you,
my
bro.
stop loss to break even
Mm.
and take partial.
Hold on, when did you just started doing that recently?
Just 2 months ago. Normally, I used to say to myself, "Is even stop loss hit or TP hit?"
Oh, so
I
you
used to
lost a
get
lot of trades, huh?
yeah,
You lost a lot of trades because of that.
yeah, exactly. But same time, I was floating a lot of amount of money, then stop loss hit. But now I take my stop loss to BE and Pash.
Hey, Khaled, take care, bro. Oh, yeah, man. Listen. So the reason why bro, I think you've known this since because it's been there since I think the whole year. You get a 1 to 3, take pressures off, set the stop
Yeah,
loss to break even, and price is gonna come back and hit your break even. Trust me, it happens
yeah,
a lot.
exactly.
It happens a lot, man. But most of the times, price is just gonna respect his own and go away all the way to full take profit. But Yeah.
But do you also go to break even when you hit
Oh,
1 to 3 or
I always aim for break even as fast as I can.
okay?
Fast as I can. Because literally, bro, let me tell you something, right? Literally, this is the trick to passing challenges. You know, as we want to be cool, coolest, like the coolest guys, we want to, let
Yeah,
me share with you guys this little thing. This here, right? So this was a lot of drawdown. I don't know. This is an American perform. You guys from other countries, you guys don't have to worry about this. We're just gonna analyze and then stay what's
yeah.
going on. So I wanna take a look at. I hope it shows me the trades. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Let's take a look at this. Where's the trades that we started with? This was this first trade that I started with, right? Start with I think 2% drawdown right here. I was in drawdown like 2% before I actually started trading. Um, I started like trading this account, right? Out of 18 trades. Now, guess what I wanted before I started? I was like, okay, you know what? Might as well let's go for the whole one trade, 1 to 10 RR. You know what I mean? But that's not how it works. Think about it, bro. If you actually stack a 1 to 3, a 1 to 4, okay, that's just 2 trades, and you just stack like a 1 to 7 right away. Okay, never mind. Come back tomorrow. Lose a 1 to 1, lose 1% off. Okay, so, okay, 2 trades a day. Take another trade. Maybe take 1 to 3 break even. Okay, you taking 2 trades a day. Okay, come back tomorrow. You know what I mean? Not like for me, I always stick to the 2 trades a day rule because, bro, this year cycle is gonna be way better, bro. Like if you stick to something like that, you know what I mean? But try to stack these little wins while you're doing your challenges. Then when you get your live account, strive, man. And for the 1 to 6, 1 to 5, because then that's gonna give you more confidence, to like, I don't know, like hold a trade even though you're actually using real capital. I'm receiving the live account, I don't know, like next week, starting Monday, right? But like
Yeah.
you trying to aim for that the whole thing, the whole, how do I call it? Like the whole these little wins literally like they keep stacking up. Now, all of these 10 trading day, sorry, 10 winning trades, I made about $18,000, right? And out of these 7 losing trades, I made about $7,000. So you guys can see out of all these 7 losing trades, I've been risking 1% just because all the $600 has been the commission. I'm talking about the 30 lots that I'm putting. That's like what, 100 something dollars of commission, right? So you guys have been saying that, okay, the trades I've been losing, I've been risking about 1%, right? Okay, now let's go here. The wins, maybe the wins I've been risking about what I've been aiming for 1 to 1, 1 to. Most of these wins have actually been now let's see, not like this here, this here USD here. This was a 1 to 3, I think. Then I just closed it right away. Now let's take a look at this right now. Now like this was the break-even trade on gold. Give me 1 to 3. I took 50% off, which is like 1,500. Here, sorry, 1,400, but the same thing. Then price came back and took me out. Oh, okay, okay, same thing. Same thing, yeah.
Okay, did you risk 1% on this trade?
Which one? Here?
Yeah, this one.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 1%.
Okay. And you
Because then
took
it
half.
gives, yeah, because you take 50% off. So when you take 50% off, then price comes back and takes you out, out of, I don't know, something like that. On why price be doing that.
Okay, I
But
see.
then did other trades, not like this crazy trade, not like here, Euro USD 1 to 5. I just closed this because, yeah, this was just gave me full take profit, I think, according to my analysis. This was the Euro USD trade. It was a sell.
I see. Risk management is key.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you just stick to it's gonna pay out. Nasdaq. I
Yeah.
analyze Nasdaq, but not too much, like a lot of traders do, right? Not like here. I was aiming for, I don't know what was this was. I was aiming for a little sell off here, but I did not take it because I was just, you know what, might as well as wait for price to come, maybe get my zone here, then look for sell later on, So here, this is what I was waiting for, really, the whole week for Nasdaq, because it's been moving weird according to me. I waited for price to come back and mitigate his own. It did not. Price literally did not even tap, give me any alert. It just sells right off, and I missed that move. So that's the reason why I don't analyze Nasdaq a lot. EU, all my days, you can analyze EU however you want and still gonna play off, bro. That's why I stick to only what the pairs I said I stick to. You know. Let me see, somebody texted something. So thanks. Okay, I will be I would love to get more knowledge about how to trade partial. Something just come my attention. I will catch up. Okay. Okay, maybe guys, if you have stuff to do, it's okay. You guys can go and maybe come back. It's okay. It's not like we're here forever. It's being recorded. You guys are gonna go back and watch it over and over again. There's no reason why not to, you know. USD, all my this. Gives me a 1 to 3, takes me out 2 times. Crazy. I just feel like I don't know what's going on. You know, so USD, don't mind about don't worry about these guys. Just worry about what we analyze here and back testing top. Yeah, on USD is what we analyzed about. Waiting for price coming to get here. Then look for sellers. All price coming the whole way coming mitigating our zone. Look confirmations. Looking for confirmation in 5 minutes. Then looking for buys. Simple. That is that. USD. Catch you guys. London session. Trading live. Feel me? I've actually liked trading live, guys, because people have been coming, you know. So my brothers keep it going. Any other questions, guys? You guys have?
Nah, bro, appreciated it.
Oh, for
The
sure,
Zoom
man.
call today.
Sure, for sure. I mean, that's the call. Then we will be going over other Zoom calls later on. Like, guys, tune in for Monday's London session. Tune in, guys. Trust me, you guys are gonna see how we pass phase 2 within one trade. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. You guys are gonna see how we actually trade, you know, and yeah. Easy, man. Easy, easy. It takes time to learn, but when you learn it, when you get to know it, then it's just a consistency type of movement, you know. Other than that, guys, appreciate you guys for pulling up. Peace. That was for stopping the recording and stuff, you know. So now, anybody that got any questions? Any other questions before we go ahead? Because now I'm not recording. Right? I'm not recording. Okay, good. So they're just for the community, guys. For you guys that want to see any other thing, then you guys, if I have any other questions to ask before I go, then we can, yeah. This coming week we go harder. Much appreciation. Hey, bro, for sure, man. No problem, man. Hey, fam, you know how to type W's? Please, somebody do that. If you guys know how to do WW like spam, so you can go all the way in the screen. So somebody can do that. Huh? Oh no, that's possible. Oh my days. So we are going live with the students right now. With the community. Join right now. Click link right here to join. You guys, do you know like I just be recording out of nowhere? How do you deal with losing streaks? Hey, my guy, this is how I deal with losing streaks, right? So I just stick to one thing. Okay, one thing. I know I'm not in my mindset. Okay, I'm losing trades. Everything is just going against me. It's okay. It happens. You know what I mean? Stick to your buffer. If your buffer is one trade a day, one trade each session, stick to it. You know what I mean? If your buffer is 2 trades every day, stick to it. If it is 3 trades every day, stick to it. If your buffer is risking 0.5% on each trade, please, if you're on your losing streak and you're down 5% on your challenge, don't be that type of guy. Okay, I want to still risk 1% and come back like just out of one trade. No, keep just maintain your buffer, bro. Like just maintain your buffer. Keep risking how much you want to risk, you know. Keep keep like just keep trying to like do what you do, man. Like, cause maybe like for me, I just take 2 trades every day. 2 trades every day. If I don't take the 2 trades every day, then I feel like okay, I let myself down. If I take more than 3 trades, then I'm like, okay, what am I doing? So what do you know what pushes me, guys? If I now have 2 trades every session, if maybe I say I have 1 trade during London session to take, and I have another trade during New York session to take, right? That's 2 trades a day, right? Take a look at it. I'm gonna all my mindset, all my analysis is gonna like help me look for these A plus setups because I don't want to take a B plus setup when I know during New York session there's gonna be an A plus setup. So that makes me become very, very patient and like just analyze, not even try to like force a trade or anything. Because guess what? I only have 2 trades to take a day. I think that's has helped me a lot. Like literally, guys, you know. And after taking the 2 trades and you see a A plus setup, like a crazy trade with all your analysis, please don't take that trade. You know what I mean? Please don't take that trade because it's not helping you, man. It's not, you know? So it's always better to like focus on you and like, just build your buffer. Write your rules down and like focus on your rules. Trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. A lot, bro. Trust me, bro. Any other questions, bro? Keep on. I'm reading the chat, bro. I'm reading the chat. Any other questions before we can, close the course? This is the time. If you guys had like I'm recording and stuff, and you guys don't want to ask some questions because I'm recording, or you guys don't want to talk because I'm recording, then this is the time. You know what I mean? Other than that, we're gonna go off. Appreciate you guys for coming. See you guys in a group or in the community. Ask if you have any questions. Tag me. Let me know. Modi, do you have anything to say? Yeah, you're looking at me like I'm looking confused, huh? Do you have anything to say, bro?
Not really, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
No.
hmm
Yeah. Much love, bro.
Hey, for sure, man.
Appreciate the help. Well done, you do.
Hey, for sure. Hey, yeah,
All
yeah, take
peace
care,
and love.
man. Oh, for sure. Yeah, yeah, take care, man. Love you for real. All right. Okay, you. Peace out.
Yeah, bro.